Hello there, my name is Edgie Garcia. I'm excited to invite you to a journey of learning and growth, which I found a few months ago. But before we get started, I need you to do just one thing. Register your name and email now. Why, you ask? Because we've got an incredible, no-cost workshop lineup for you. It's packed with insights, tips, and strategies that can truly make a difference in your life. All it takes is a few seconds to sign up, and you'll be granted exclusive access to this workshop. Plus, you'll be joining a community of like-minded individuals on the quest for knowledge and personal development. So go ahead and scroll down and let's make this journey together. Enter your name and email and get ready for an exciting journey into the world of discovery and excitement. I can't wait to see you on the other side. Click that button below and let's get started. Thank you.